What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Mike. So last time we made a simple drill beat and today we are going to continue to make another one. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, so in this one again we are going to follow the same steps. We have to make it simple and then we have to make it short. So yeah, so here I have Acarde and I found this pack. It's called Easier Said Than Done. And then I made just a simple something like a chorus, something like this.
Can we just hold on? Easier said than done. I can't stay here. No, then on.
Yeah, so let's go on the playlist here and let's paste it, then left click and then replace so that we can have a wave format. Alright, so now we have this wave format. Let's now start making the melody. This sample is in E minor, so it's easy now to start making the melody. Open Omnisphere. Alright, so we have Omnisphere here, the guitar, and then I chose this double tracked 6 strings. Sounds like this. So let's get to the piano roll.
Can we just hold on? 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 Easier said than. Can we just hold on? Can we just hold on? Just hold on. Can we just hold on? Just hold on. Can we just hold on? Easier said. Easier said than. Easier said than. Easier said than done. Easier said than done. And done. Easier said than done. Easier said than done. Can we just hold on? Easier said than done.
Alright, so this sounds good. I think let's copy this, put it here, and then here let's just change a little bit.
I can't stay here. I can't stay here. I can't stay here. I can't stay here. No. Oh, then on. Can we just hold on? No, then on. Can we
Get the root notes and put them octave down. So I think the melody is done.
Can we just hold on? Easier said than done.
To hit Ctrl A to highlight everything and hit Alt R to randomize.
Can we just hold on? Easier said than
Alright, so
done.
this sounds good. Also hit Alt S.
Can we just hold on? Easier said than done.
Alright, so this sounds good also. EQ, let's remove some low ends, a little bit of high ends.
No, then on. I can't stay here. No, then on. Can we just hold
Just
on?
a little bit.
Easier said
Now it sounds
than
good.
done.
I think we're done with the melody. I think everything is good. The sample sounds good. The guitar sounds fire. So now let's start making the drums.
Can we just hold on? Easier said than done.
Let's copy this, paste it on hi-hat.
Easier said than done. Can we just hold on? Easier said than done. Can we just hold on? Can we just hold on? Easier said. Can we just hold on? Easier said than done. Easier said than done. Can we just hold on? Easier.
Alright, so I think the drums are coming good. Now let's start making the 808. So on this one, I have two 808s. I'll have one, I'll use it for slides, and then one just for normal. Put some slides, so let's go on the second one. Let's go back to the 808 that we use for slides, and let's make some slides there. Let's add the kick. I think we're done. I have all the sounds on the playlist here. So what you're going to do is start arranging it. So I'll start with the guitar and the sample. Alright, so here I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove the kick. Alright, so let's chop this one, this last sound from the sample here, and let's get this one and let's make it like this. Let's try to say, yeah, something like that. So every time when the verse hits, this goes throughout or something like this. Yeah, so sounds good so far, so good. So I won't waste much of your time. Let me finish it, arrange it, then I'll be right back. So I'm done arranging it. I've added some drill gun. So yeah, now let's listen to it together. So this is like intro or chorus.
It's my.
That's like 8 bars, 16 bars, this. that's it. Simple, short, and yeah. So if you like this type of videos, please let me know. Like, subscribe, share. So yeah, till next time, peace out.